welcome back to my channel. This is Oh.darlarose. Hi babes, how you guys doing? It's been a minute since we done a makeup video, like a cool minute. I've been having fun doing like the hauls and the vlogging. I do have 2 new hauls coming up very soon too. But let's just jump right into it. Let's get into the makeup. Alright guys, so I got this beautiful brush set from Eigshow cosmetic brushes. You guys already know I have an affiliate code with them. It's Darla15. I'll say it again, Darla15 right here. So make sure you guys use my code when you guys check it out. But let's just open this. So it comes in this beautiful box with a little brush cleaner I got. And then they sent me this beautiful brush bag. Look at that. It's like a mauve pink. It's so beautiful, guys. And then it has like a little thing right here, like the little symbol. It says Eigshow on it. And then they send you like a little brush case right here where it tightens up. So this set contains face and brushes. I took off the plastic just to be a little easier, but let's just open it up. I do want to show you guys the bag first. It comes with this really pretty pink inside. And then you have a zipper right here, and then you have a little button right here. This is super pretty. You guys can use it for like, you want to put your wallet in here, your phone. It's like a little handbag. Super cute. So these are the brushes. You got some face brushes and then some eye brushes. Super pretty. It's like a rose gold look to it. White and rose gold. The brushes are beautiful. You guys already know I actually really do love their brushes. They're my favorite. Alright babes, I do want to give you guys a little like information about these brushes. This is their Master Series 12-piece classic brush set, rose gold. It's $150, but it is on sale for $70. And you guys can use my discount code and you guys will get it cheaper for sure. And then the brushes that are included inside is a large powder brush, a blush brush, a small angled contour blush, angled foundation brush, large crease brush, blending brush, eyeshadow brush, a small smudge brush, pen smudge brush, eyebrow brush, and a lip brush, and then eyeliner. And they actually do have numbers to these, which is really good because I think in some of them they don't have the numbers because it gets like a little confusing. But these do have numbers and they let you know what is what. So those are your 12 brushes that you have in this set. And this is $70 like I said, but you guys could definitely use my coupon code, well my affiliate code, and you guys will get some money off. I do want to mention babes, when you guys do use my affiliate code, I do make a small commission off of it. Alright babes, so I want to go into this ColourPop cream gel liner for underneath my eyes. Just letting you guys know, this is the color Prance. It's like a sky blue. And then the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using is this Blueberry Muffin from BH Cosmetics. It's a 16 color shadow palette. I want to go into like grays and blues, so we're going to use this, guys. Just want to show you that. Alright guys, so I'm going to go into with the E811 brush, the E811 brush. And we're going to go into this color called Treat, and we're just going to pack this color on. It's a pretty gray color. Alright guys, so these are really soft brushes. Alright, let's go into the next color and the next brush. Alright guys, so I want to go into this color called Cheat Day. It's like this blue color. And I'm going in with the eyeshadow brush. This is the E831. We're just getting that right there. And we're just going to pop that right there. And put it right here. We're going for like a really cool look. Very cool colors. Can I see that? It's so funny guys, I'm gonna say guys, I never liked blue. Like blue is always one of those colors I was like, but I love doing blue eyeshadow. I don't know why. Something about blue eyeshadow with like dark hair or brown hair is just like a vibe to me. So I went back in with my first brush, the E811, and this one is really pretty. I'm just kind of blending whatever I have left on this brush just together with the previous color. I'm just going to use that same brush, babe, but I'm just going to use like the other side where I guess it's cleaner in a way. I want to go into this color called, here, let me swatch the colors I like here. This one's called Yummy. It has like a blue tint, like a blue silver. This is Hot and Fresh. I kind of want to go into Hot and Fresh, but I want this one. I think I'm gonna go on Hot and Fresh. The color card right here is also Crumble, maybe. Let's see. I think I like this one. So I'm gonna go into this one called Hot and Fresh. And I'm just gonna go into this brush, the E831, and I'm just gonna kind of grab it. Maybe I'll put a little bit of this color, kind of mix it. And then we're going to wet this. And we're just gonna put this right here. That is so beautiful. And then I'm going to my first brush and just kind of blending everything out. This so gives me like Christmas vibes. I love it. Wet it again, and we're gonna do the other side. I feel like I don't do looks like this so much, so I wanted to do a little something different. And then you guys could use like this other side, go into a color called Cheat Day, a little bit of Delish, and just kind of run it over on top. And then we're gonna go into with this one, the first brush, and go into Treat again, and a little bit of Delish. Just a little bit, because I did get glitter on top a little bit from trying to redo that brush, but we're just gonna blend that out. So I want to do like a little smoky eyeliner, so we're gonna use this E834 brush. This is a small smudge brush. Looks exactly like this. And I'm gonna go into a color called So Good, just because it's like that darker blue. Where does that kind of smudge? Like a little line right here. And then when we clean it up, it'll look really nicely. But you guys see that? We're just grabbing it and then we're just kind of smudging like a line right here. Guys, this would also be like a really good brush for like your inner highlight, your little nose highlight right here. We got to do like a little exclamation mark. This would be the perfect brush. Underneath the eyebrow, like those little parts you want to get into, this is like the perfect brush for that. I'm gonna go into this E817 eyebrow brush. So this one could go for your eyebrow. You guys could use this for a liner, your eyebrow, cut your crease, or cleaning up. So that's what I'm gonna use it for, babes, because I didn't really cut my crease. I'm just gonna use it just to clean all this up. And that's gonna make a big difference in how we actually did our liner. You guys see that, like how it cleaned up and looks so nice and blue. And then what I'm gonna use to like blend, this is like a really good concealer brush. It's called a large crease brush, E802. The 802 brush, E802 brush. They say it's a large crease brush, but I personally would use this more for like concealer, like concealing in here and here, right here, or like this right here, buffing this out. This brush is a little bit more like dense, so it's not as soft, but it's better because it actually will get into the foundation and clean it up, or the concealer. So just like that, babes, and that works so good. Just like that. And look how fast, guys, that just blends it. Like, I'm not even trying. Like, we're not even trying over here. Alright, babes, I'm gonna prime my face real quick, and then we'll be back doing our foundation. So we have that liner looking nice and clean. We put some primer. I'm going with my Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation and 540. And then we're gonna go into our foundation brush, and this is F624. So it's like kind of like a kabuki brush, or like one of those flat brushes, those flat ones, very dense. If you guys already know, I had tried another one of theirs and I really liked it. And you guys know I'm not a big brush person. Like, I don't like brushes for my foundation at all. So we'll just see. We're gonna just, I kind of like to always kind of like stab this on, and then I'll kind of like blend it out. But how it's looking, I don't see any like foundation strokes, like brush strokes in it, which is good. Guys, I've been having like the worst time lately, like with freaking color matching my foundation. Like, I don't know. I don't know what color I am right now. So if I look like really yellow in the monitor, leave me alone, guys. I'm trying. I've been like going back and forth with different colors lately, and I can't get my foundation color lately. Like usually all my colors I had would fit me like super perfect, like right on it, but yeah, right now it does look super good. Like, well, this foundation is very like skin like too, which is good, but I don't see any brush strokes, which is good, or like streaks, brush streaks. So that is the most important thing. These are like the only foundation brushes I actually like. Besides that, I love my sponges. I'm just gonna apply some concealer, and I'm gonna go in with that brush, the large crease brush, the 802 brush, the one I used for foundation. For concealer earlier. I'm gonna use this for my foundation, and we're gonna blend that too. It's making it look super full coverage, which you guys all know what I like. I like that very full coverage look. I don't know why, but I think just maybe I'm used to like the beauty blender, but or the sponge. I like to bounce my stuff, and then I like to go in there and kind of circle it around. Alright, babe, so the concealer is looking really good. I was looking, my foundation actually does match. Like off camera it looks a little crazy right now, but it does match. But the concealer and the foundation, guys, honestly looks super full coverage. It actually looks more full coverage than with the Real Technique sponge. I feel like that always happens. I do feel like foundations could give you a more fuller coverage if you use the right foundation. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this foundation with our big large powder brush, the F601 brush. And I love big brushes like this just because they go right on there quick, and they just set it, like they just get the job done. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. Set. Warm up our face and start contouring and bronzing because we're looking a little dead here. I'm using my ColourPop one, and then we're gonna go in with our angled contour brush, the F610 brush. This one kind of reminds me of like the MAC brush in a way. And I usually start off with this lighter color, and then I'll go in with the darker color to like kind of warm it up and just to deepen in it, to make it look a bit more smaller, more sucked in. And it's so funny, guys. I feel like the Eigshow brushes are only brushes that I could do like a whole face and not go into like my regular brushes. I'm actually really super comfortable with them. They actually became my regular brushes a lot of times. So, alright, now we're gonna go in with some powder. I'm gonna go in more with the Cool Tone Pink powder blush, just because I want this to be more on a cooler side. So I'm gonna do that. And we're using their blush brush. This is the F604 blush. I'm just putting it right here. Lately I've been loving blushes. I don't know why. Like a lot of it too lately. Like right here, hit a little bit of the nose. Before I never did that. Now I'm like kind of going for it a lot. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go into and finish our eye look. We're gonna go into the small smudge brush, the E832 brush, like this. And we are going to go into the color called Delilah. We're going to go into the color called Delish. We're just going to pop that right there. Okay, so we have a nicely like smudge underneath our waterline. We're going to go into highlight. I do not have like no highlighting brush, guys. I only have these two small brushes. One is an eyeliner brush, like I said. So you guys could even do like a perfect eyeliner with this one. This is an eyeliner E819 brush. And then I have a lip brush, the 11303 brush. These are these two brushes. So this is like perfectly if you're doing like on a client, because this is a pro series, so this is perfect for the client, like to their lips. You could also do right here and a little bit of this part. That's what I'm gonna use it for. I'm not gonna use this brush today, but if I did want to do like some cool like liner, like graphic liner, I could definitely use this and do like a little cool look with this. This would be super good for that. So I'm just gonna go into this one right now, and then I'll probably do my highlight off camera since I don't have a brush for that. So we're gonna go into this lip brush one, and we're gonna go into a color called Yummy, like that really pretty purple color. And I don't know why, but I kind of like this color. I actually love this look. This isn't really a look, guys. You guys know I would really do, but this is giving me like such like sci-fi looks or like Christmas galaxy looks. Like it's something so different, guys, than what I usually do, but I'm kind of like really living for it. Oh, look at the eye look, guys. Like, do you guys see this look? I'm gonna put a bit lighter. I'm gonna put it like this so you guys can see that. Like, this is super pretty, guys. Like, I really like this look. I kind of want to do a graphic liner, but I don't want to mess it up. No, I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, I'm saying this would have been perfect for like your eyeliner. If I wanted to do a little line right here, if I wanted to like outline this perfectly, this would be like the brush for it. Or if you kind of want to like clean up your lips a little bit, like that, that is the brush for it. So babes, we're gonna do our highlight, our eyelashes, and our lipstick off camera, and then we'll be back with our final thoughts. So 1, 2, 3. Alright babes, so this is the finished look. Do you guys see like how beautiful this eye look is? Okay guys, so I actually really love this brush tip. It was super good. I was able to do my whole face. The only brush I needed really was just a highlighting brush, but I'm pretty sure one of these could be a highlighting brush. We just use it differently. But besides that, guys, look at this face. Like, the foundation is full coverage, the concealer looks good, the eye makeup is so beautiful, guys. These brushes are honestly like really good. I love the big powder brush. I actually love their foundation brush. I actually like them because they don't leave like weird marks on your face. And then their eye brushes are always super soft, babes, so like that's just a plus. So go check out Eigshow down below, babes. I'll leave their link down below with my code. Like I said, guys, just remember I do make a small commission, just so you guys know that. Besides that, babes, you know, stay tuned. Keep looking out for my next videos. I love you, babes. Bye.